welcome back guys. Today we have this 2024 Jeep Compass. We're changing out all the bulbs that we can on this vehicle. On the front end here, we did our side marker bulbs, the turn signal, and the fog light. That's about it on the front end. In the interior, we did the map light and the dome lights. In the back, we did the trunk lights, the rear side marker, and the reverse lights. That's about it that you can change out on this vehicle. So the quick part numbers are, for the side marker in the front is L-T10A. The turn signal is T3-7443D, and that is a switchback. You can also do an all amber bulb if you like. And the fog lights, we're using our LA Plus H8911, which is an H11. And the back end of the vehicle, we're using our L27443 for the reverse lights, and for the side marker, we're using our L-T10R, which is the red color. For the trunk light, we are using our L-T10, it's a white color. You could do a different color if you like, but we chose white, it's the brightest option. And for the interior, we use two pairs of T10s, white color. Again, you could choose, you want to be a little bit different, you could do red, blue, green. The T10s, we have multiple colors. On the best tunes, we only have white, but for this vehicle, we could have done red, blue, green, whatever color we wanted. We chose white as the brightest option. So again, the part number is L-T10. If you guys wanted a blue color, the partner will be L-T10 blue, B as in blue, or L-T10R, which will be for red. So those are the options you guys have. All right, guys, and now let's do installation. This you don't have to remove it. You don't have both of us.
Okay. Is it easy?
Yeah. If you know what you're doing. Because you could break this really simple.
Oh, yeah. If it's the wrong way, you will break
You'll break it. Yeah, you'll break it. This one, yeah, or buy a new one.
Thank you.
So let's do the installation. We're gonna do the reverse lights, and we're also gonna be doing the rear side marker. The reverse light, we're gonna be using our L27443, and the side marker, we're gonna be using our L-T10Rs. So for the reverse light, I'm gonna get a flathead or any flat screw you have. You just wanna wedge it in. That's it. So it tight fits, but if you pull this back, and then you're gonna look at this socket right here. That's the one that you have to twist and pull out. Simple like that. L27443. Like any 743, you just pop it in. These, doesn't matter how it plugs in, it'll turn on. Once it's plugged in, just simply guide it in. And this car is a tight fit because it hits right here, but you could kind of just pull it out. And guide it in to the slots. Take your time. It's tight fits, but everything's possible. There we go. And that's it. You're done there. Last thing is make sure you put the cup back on. Little cap. Pop in. It's the same exact method to do the other side. So we're doing the driver, the passenger, the same exact concept. Pop up the cover, twist it off. It's very simple. Now let's do the rear side marker. Unfortunately, we don't have a bulb that's compatible for the brake light in this vehicle. This is an all-in-one system, brake, tail, and turn. So we don't have a bulb that's working properly. Maybe in the future, we are working on this vehicle to make a bulb. Maybe in the future, we'll have something. So let's just do the rear side marker. Again, you're gonna get your friendly flathead and pop this cap off. There's two of them. So like that. You're gonna get your T25 and you're just gonna loosen the screws. I highly recommend that the screwdrivers you're using are magnetic. These aren't, and these just fall off. But if you have magnetic ones, it will make your life easier. I'm gonna use a magnet we have here to pull these out. We want it to fall and get lost. And you just simply push out. That's your connection right there. And again, this is your brake light. We are not changing this as we don't have nothing that's compatible. We're doing this small one right here. So just turn counterclockwise and pull out. That's it. All right, now let's put in the new one. And reinsert. That's it for there. Now just simply push back in. When you hear that pop, you put these two screws back in. Make sure it's magnetic. If not, it'll fall. We know from experience. Make sure they're guided in. Make sure they're tight. Put the cap back on, and you'll be done. All right, so the next thing that could be done towards the rear end of this vehicle, which we already showed you guys the reverse lights and the rear side marker, which is the only two things you could do on the outer side, you could say. Inner side, the trunk lights, which is two of them. Very simple. Then you flathead. Just gonna slide it in this edge right here. Press down, just like that. I like to remove it. It just makes your life easier. And this just slides off. I like using a flathead and popping them off the clip right here. We already pre-installed it, but what you do is take out the original bulb. Yeah, take out the original bulb and just slide the new one. Simple. And this, let me put it back in slots. This just slides in like so. You're done. It's the same concept for the driver's side and the passenger. Same exact concept. Just press down, then you plug this in. Back into slots here. You're done. Same exact method for the other side, and you guys will be done within 5 minutes or less. All right. So first thing is open the hood, as any other vehicle. Make sure you put the latch for safety reasons, of course. And then for this vehicle, we already removed the covers. So let me show you guys which covers we're referring to. These are the covers here. They go on, this goes on the driver's side. So it has push clips. It has 1, 2, 3. Pop those off. This does come off. It'll make your life easier for the turn signals. It gives you more room. So we already popped it off as we did some other work that we're doing. But it's a very simple process. Right here, directly, this wire is a turn signal. Turn counterclockwise and pull out. And now the bulb is working. We already have the LED in there. But it's the same process. Take the bulb out, well, the original bulb, and pop the LED in. I always recommend wear gloves. Right now, I just took this off, but take the bulb out. If, for example, you plug it in like so, and nothing is happening, it's not on right, unplug it, rotate it 180, and reconnect it. So it has its polarities. From there, you just go back in, and twist into the socket clockwise. There we go. Simple as that. All right, so we're doing the hard side because the driver's side is easier to get to the side marker. The driver's side is a little bit more complicated. So you do have this on the way. It has 2 pushing points right here. So this just slides in. The hard part is sliding it out. So you want to use a flathead, insert it here and just open it up a little bit. And that gives you enough leverage to pop it up. Once you pop it off, you're gonna go into here. You're gonna turn the bulb counterclock. And it will slide out. Very easy, like that. Take it off. Again, if it was a halogen, make sure you're wearing gloves. Get the new LED. All right, guys, so use gloves. Make your life easier, you won't get burnt. And just insert it in. We always suggest make sure the power's off. We're just doing it because we just want to test the fitting, but sometimes it's a little bit hard. Take your time. Insert like that. Once that's done, go down, and you're gonna slide into the groove. Once it's in, you turn clockwise. Clockwise in, and you're done. Once that's finished, you just simply push this back into the slot, like so, and you'll be done. All right, so for the fogs, you're gonna remove the 8mm, and we also have 1, 2, 3, 4. But I'm gonna just remove 3. I already took off these 2. This is the last one. I believe that should be enough room to access the fog, but we'll see right now. All right, and pull this back. Yeah, that is enough room. As you guys can tell, we already have it installed, but we'll give you a quick rundown of how it's done. All right, so let's take the bulb out. All right, so when you get your H11, it'll be like this. Of course, this is the big part is always to the top. These 2 smaller ones always down. You're gonna line them up. Make sure that they're lined up to the tabs. And this is all feel. I'm not looking inside. The camera is. I'm not. So just gonna feel. There we go. I feel the 3 tabs went in, and you turn clockwise. Simple like that. Let's see. Where is the plug? The plug is right here. So you guys can tell it only goes in. It goes in 2 different ways. So when you plug it in, if it doesn't turn on, unplug it, rotate it 180, and reconnect it. But like so is how you're gonna have it. All right, guys. So we're done with all the install on the vehicle. Again, we did our front end, interior, and the back end. The only thing that we didn't change out that remained consistent was the brake lights. Unfortunately, we don't have a bulb that's suitable yet. This is in the works. So in the near future, we should offer a bulb that's compatible for brake light, turn signal, and tail lights. Other than that, everything else got done. The turn signals, side marker, fog lights, map light, dome light, trunk lights, reverse light, and also the rear side marker. Again, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. It does help us bring you more content. As well, if you guys are looking to order, please head over to our website, lasfit.com. You guys can find great deals. Right now, this time that we're making this video, it is Black Friday weekend, so you guys will be getting some promos there. If you see this on the future dates, just be on the lookout. We tend to have some promotions to help customers out. Again, thank you, and have a great day. Bye-bye.